St. Ives, and I work for Osram, Slovenia. Spelling my last name is ST.ONGE. And Osram, Slovenia is partnered with Artisan to develop the first light bulb that makes noise on purpose. So it's an audio speaker built into a light bulb. It actually screws into a standard Edison socket. Has an LED light in there and an audio speaker. Runs on 2.4 gigahertz wireless. So we actually have 3 different kinds of transmitters. One goes into a USB, one is a universal transmitter, and we have an Apple 30-pin transmitter. So basically any audio device can run on MusicLites. We can send the signal up to 50 feet, and it works up to 200 feet line of sight.
So the idea is to plug this into, does this work with a regular light socket?
So this would screw into a standard socket. So this right here is just screwed right in. Just unscrew it, screw it back in. Basically it picks up the signal wirelessly. Trim ring back on. We have a remote control. The remote control can handle up to 5 different zones. So we can set on the light up to 5 different zones, set left and right, and then on the remote we can hit what zone we want, and then we can adjust the audio and the light for that zone. We can have up to 12 lights on one zone. We actually can control one of 3 different sources. So if you have 3 transmitters, you can actually have them set up to 3 different devices and toggle between them on the remote control.
So then this gives a whole new meaning to the term elevator music, because then you just have the lights up in your house and it's just...
Absolutely.
Now can you play different music on the different zones?
Correct. You could actually have zone 1 playing source 1, which source 1 could be your TV. And we actually have a universal remote. We actually have an optical cable connection point as well, so you can actually send into the optical cable.
Can you set this up as like a 7.1 surround sound then?
Yes.
Like
so you can actually take the rear channel and turn that into a surround sound for your back channel, which we think could really work well for a lot of people who have rental properties who don't have the ability to go into their ceiling and try to put in another system. It also, because of the different zones though, you could actually take what's happening in your family room and then move to zone 2 in your kitchen and actually take your TV experience into another room as well. So you have the ability to do either of those 2 things. And any transmitter can operate multiple devices just by simply unplugging one device and plugging in another.
Okay. And then what's the cost on all of this?
You're looking at $250 retail for the light, $100 basically for each of the transmitters. So if you want to do a startup kit of 2 lights, a transmitter and remote, it's about $600 retail. You can look out, get more information on our website, www.musiclites.com, spelled MusicLites.com.
And is this available now?
It is just getting into our distribution centers now, so we'll have them out the next couple of weeks into retailers.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.